Hey guys, welcome back to the Pink Envelope. I'm excited to be unboxing with you guys YogaClub. YogaClub is a yoga clothing subscription box, except for I've literally never, ever done yoga. It's really athleisure wear, mom uniform. I really like leggings and PINKFREE shirts subscription box. I have had YogaClub as a membership for years. I started back in 2016, kept it through 2019. On a monthly basis, and then was like, whoa, lots of clothes. So then I canceled my subscription. Then 2020 hit, and I wore the heck out of all of these tees and leggings, like crazy wore them out. And so midway through 2021, I was like, it's time to bring it back. So I was like, okay, let's do a quarterly subscription, not a monthly, do quarterly. Well, then that's only 4 outfits a year, which wasn't working for me. So I just bumped over to a bi-monthly subscription. So I'm gonna get 6 outfits a year, and I think that's gonna be really, really perfect. I started it a few months back, so you can go up here and see my August outfit, which is what I'm wearing right here. If you wanna watch that unboxing, go up there and watch that. It was a great first box back intro, whatever. I was super stoked on the outfit. Here's my second one. So I'm excited to see what's in there. The box is $79.99 plus shipping. You decide the frequency, bi-monthly, monthly, quarterly, or just on demand. You can just log in and order a box whenever you want. If you use the coupon code PINKFREE, you get a free legging in your first box, and the average legging price is like $60 to $80. And the leggings they send are awesome. I absolutely love them, and they have high waist and low waist and full length and 3/4 length and 7/8 length. Like, you get a huge variety on those. I don't remember the total retail value of my last box, but it was well over $200. Like this full outfit, the sports bra, the top and the pants. So great value. One of the things I am excited to share with you guys is I am officially, as of September 2021, a YogaClub partner. Woohoo! Which means they are gonna be able to build out a page with all of my YogaClub outfits on it. And as long as there's inventory left, you guys will be able to go click it and order that outfit on demand, requesting subscriptions. I can't wait. We're building that out right now. Hopefully it's ready by the time I release this video. If not, it'll be ready by the following month. But I am so excited that all of the hard work of creating the videos and everything that I do is paying off, and that I get to officially call myself a YogaClub partner. That is so exciting. Okay, inside this box, I haven't looked. This is all new for me. Look at the back of this sports bra. I love this with all my heart. That is a cool sports bra. I love, and it's not all connected. It is separate bands back here. This is the Whispers Macy Bra in the color Summer Rust, size small. Retail value, $60. Very excited about that. It is padded, or not padded, but it's lined, which is really great. If you don't like it, you can slip it out. You don't have to keep it in. I've breastfed a couple of babies. I need that extra layer of protection, especially if it's like super hot or super cold. Loving that. Hey, this top is similar in color to this one, which happens to be like my favorite color. Oh my gosh, this is so soft. This shirt is extremely soft. It's by Viactive. I call this Viactive. Is it Viactive? V-I-E? Do y'all know? Once again, I'm not a yogi. I don't know. It's the Ultra Flow Ceci Tank in Dusty Rose, size small. Retail value, $60. Very cute. Loving that. I love anything racerback. Huge fan of anything racerback. The one I have here is racerback, but I think it actually has another cutout, whereas this one's just a solid back. So it's kind of cool. And then, I don't even know if you could really just see that. You know, go to the other video if you couldn't just see that. These are cool. Sole and Mane leggings, but look at the pattern and the colors. I absolutely love the colors. Now, when you're doing your style quiz, so to sign up, you do this style quiz. You get to tell them your likes and dislikes. So if you don't like lots of color, you can put, I like black and whites or neutrals, and you can kind of direct them more in that path. I have give me all the patterns and give me all the colors. So when you're looking at my boxes, you're probably gonna see all the patterns in all the color, but you don't have to select that. If you just wanna hop on and fill out the quiz just to see what they give you, there's no commitment to fill out the quiz. You can hop on and do that on their website using the URL below. But things that are new with Yoga Club now that were not happening in old Yoga Club is there's complete unity in sizing, which is huge. When I had my subscription in the past and I would share with you guys, I would share like the brand and the size I was wearing, but they carried so many different brands that a small in this one was actually a medium in this one and an extra small in this brand. Like it just was, there was no unity and it was constant confusion. They have pared down to the best of brands that all are in the same sizing. So if I say a small to top, it's gonna be a small to top in any of the brands that they send, which is great, great, great. The other thing is exchanges. I want to talk about exchanges. I was looking into it because this is one of the questions you guys asked me is what if it doesn't fit or what if I don't like it? And what you can do is you can exchange your items by logging into the same place you place your order and click the I would like to make an exchange button. At that point, it will pop up two options. You can go to the Yoga Club exclusive Facebook page and trade with somebody, which I have done back in the day, like in 2018, 2019. I hopped on there all the time and traded products with people, whether it's a size or a style or whatever. But if you don't find something you want to trade with somebody, you can click to ship it back. And there's three options, you guys. There's the you ship, which means you, as in me and you, ship the item back to Yoga Club, and they will place the exchange item in your next box. And so when your next box comes, it'll have all three of your things plus your exchange. But if you're like, no, I need it now, I want my new item now, you can do the we ship. So we ship our item to them. You will get your exchange item in your next box, but it also in that box will be a prepaid shipping label and an extra shipping bag that you can put the item you're exchanging in the bag, put the label on top, and send it back. And that costs $6.95. So it's $7 to do it that way. Or you can do the fast ship and they'll ship the exchange and deliver it to you, the new item, plus the label, plus the bag within 4 to 7 business days for $14.95. So that's like, I guess if you had a yoga outfit emergency. I mean, I'm not sure why you would need that one, but it's there should you just want it. I've always just done the trades. I don't know, trades have always just worked out on the Facebook group for me. I very rarely have to swap things though, so maybe that's why. But maybe I'll get one. Maybe in the next few boxes I'll get one and I'll be able to put it into play. But I did look up that information. It just seems really, really simple. Just to hop on there, click it, do the exchange. Okay, I want to show you my new outfit on. So let me go throw these clothes on. Okay. So here is the yoga pant and the sports bra. The last box, my August box, I did the yoga pant in a small. And I was like, I don't know, maybe I could size down. So these are actually an extra small. Now I'm like, I think I want to size up. And I do this. I guess this is the beauty. I just log in and change it. Like it's been super easy to swap. So this is an extra small pant. Small bras both times. I may bump up to a medium just to see. This feels like it fits good. You can tell me if it looks good. And then the sports bra, I've done a small both times. I may bump up to a medium. I just kind of want to like get a feel like what do I really like since I'm starting this subscription again. And to be honest, I'm a few pounds heavier than I was back then. But this bra is super cool. I love the back of it. It is extremely comfortable. The quality on this, just like my last box, is awesome. So that part hasn't changed in the subscription in the last several years. Let me grab the top. So here's the super soft top. I love the coloring. Very much coordinating, but not like matchy-matchy. I do not like matchy-matchy. I think these are fun colors together. Everything fits great. The small on the top last time and the small on the top this time is an absolutely perfect fit. So I may jostle the legging size back up to a small because I think I like that more. And I'll see about the medium as well. And what I'll do is, once I've nailed out my measurements of what I like comfortable-wise, I'll put my actual body measurements. So if you're looking to, maybe that will help you decide which size is best for you. But here we go. This is my next outfit. Super excited. I have my subscription that's every other month, but you're gonna notice I'm gonna have a box releasing in August, one in September, and one in October. You can order an on-demand box anytime you want. So I have my August box, I have my on-demand box, and then October will be back to my bi-monthly, which is something they didn't have in the past that I absolutely love that they have now. If you guys want to give Yoga Club a try, you can sign up for a full subscription, or you can just get a one-time box. Use PINKFREE to get your free legging in your first box. If you have any questions, concerns, anything, maybe you're a past member and you want to come back, reach out. I would love to help you guys find a great way to get some good athleisure wear in your wardrobe for a killer deal. 3 items for $69.99 is a hard value to beat. I hope that you guys have an amazing day, and I'll see you guys later. Bye, y'all.